Hey boos, welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for being here and for watching. I am so excited for this video. It's going to be all about going from the black sheep to the golden goat because it is time to redefine that term. So I was listening to another YouTuber and she said, I'm not a black sheep, I'm a tie-dye goat. And I was like, yes, let's redefine and romanticize this term. And when she said it, I even thought, yeah, I'm not a black sheep, I am a rainbow dragon. And I just thought that that was so fun. It made my inner child feel so good. And so I would really, really love for y'all to let me know in the comments how you are going to redefine the term black sheep for yourself. That would make me so happy. So my name is Lindsay, by the way. Thank you so much again for being here. I'm an entrepreneur. I offer many amazing resources. If you are interested in how to make money online, there's an amazing course that I recommend. If you're more interested in spiritual development, there's an amazing book that I recommend that is full of light codes. Anything else you need from me is going to be all about manifestation and self-development, and that's all going to be in my videos. And I do have a quick announcement. I did just finish creating my step-by-step money manifestation vortex guide for y'all. It is a 10-step guide, and it really does help you make your own one-of-a-kind money manifestation vortex, because it is my intention that I am a guide so that you discover your own blueprint and your own magic, because there is just nothing better. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into this video and get it, goats. So greatness is often dismissed by those closest to us. Nobody cares until you win. And believe me, I know that it feels scary and uncertain, but it is also my belief that it's one of our lessons in this life to learn to take these leaps of faith on ourselves, because the universe will catch you every time. If it caught me, it will do that for everyone. And it always makes me think of kids at the pool when they're learning how to swim, and the parents in the pool, and the kid is standing on the edge, and the parent is like, come on, jump, I promise I'm going to catch you. I feel like the universe works the exact same way. And I really want you to know what a big flex it is in allowing yourself to be misunderstood. And think about the greats. Only they knew and understood the vision amongst all of the criticism. Like the doctor who discovered germs. I mean, people thought that he was a total bird brain. I mean, you really want us to wash off this invisible thing before we go do surgery? Yeah, we want you to do that. I mean, where would we be without that knowledge, right? So if you are ready for golden goat status, it is time to do some renovations. And you're going to start by renovating the mind. I really think that that is where it starts. But you're also going to renovate your personality, your energy, your limiting beliefs, your body. And when I say body, I really want you to know that I'm really more speaking to actually taking care of your body, and not necessarily from a place of vanity. Although you will end up feeling yourself, which is really, really nice too, right? And if I can offer a simple suggestion to help you shift your energy during this time of isolation, one really simple way to do that is through giving. And I mean not from a place that's going to drain you. For example, where I used to live, there were quite a few people without homes around me, and so I would go bring them socks and toothbrushes and sandwiches and things like that. You know, giving back in that way really, really shifts your energy during this time. And I just want you to concentrate on the first 30 days of renovation to come back unrecognizable, because at around the 30-day mark, not only do you begin to experience real change, but at that point, your will becomes stronger than everything holding you back. And I want you to do everything that you can to romanticize this process for yourself. For example, I really like to go for my runs wearing all black because it just makes me feel like a real baddie with all of my tats and everything. Or I also bought myself this really cute little rainbow dragon beanie baby to remind myself of who I truly am, because it is so powerful when we include our inner child in this process, because it's our inner child that feels like the black sheep, right? So think about how safe that would make your inner child feel. And honestly, that is when magic happens. I also want you to give it 30 days because not only do things start to stick, but you also begin to experience supernatural synchronicities to help you keep going, which leads to whatever changes that you're wanting to see on the outside. And it also becomes enough at that point where you start to feel like you have come too far and like you have too much to lose. And you even start to feel like you want to be loved correctly or be left alone completely. And if that isn't on some golden goat business, I don't know what is. So remember that you are in isolation to be goated. You goat in private and then you pop out and act up, okay? So that's going to be all for me today, y'all. I just want to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I am truly so grateful. Y'all just have no idea. Sorry, Mercury retrograde. But really, y'all just have no idea how grateful I am for each and every one of you. I feel so blessed to get to feel your energy, enjoy your energy, and be building this beautiful tribe with y'all. And I just thank y'all and love y'all with all of my heart and soul. Okay, so I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.